Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will give you instructions on how to install C++ compiler or the MinGW in your operating system, which is the Windows operating system. You need to do to open a Google Chrome, search for the MinGW, and then click the download under the SourceForge site. And then wait for the site to have your installer and open the installer, run the installer, click install and choose installation directory. Click continue if you agree to the default installation directory. Then wait for the installer to download all necessary packages. It would take some time, but in this video, I forward the video so that it looks faster. But in real time, it's slower compared to this video. So don't worry. Uh, so as a reminder that you need to connect your computer to the internet so that it can download the important packages. So in this installation manager, you need to check the what you want package, what packages do you want to install. So in my case, I want only the G++ compiler, so I check the checkbox and yeah, I go to the installation and apply changes and wait for the program to download the packages that it needs. So yeah, wait for this to be successful. This time, pwede pa kayong magkape or gagawin yung mga household chores niyo. Joke lang. But in my case, I finished it. And as you can see in this dialog that you can close the program since it's already complete, the activity is already complete. I have installed successfully the MinGW. Okay. So what you need to do now is to close all this application. Close and close the installation manager window. And now you need to try if your G++ compiler is working. In my case, I open it in my favorite code editor, which is the Visual Studio Code. And in this case, I have a simple program, C++ program. I called it game entry for no reason. So yeah, well, I can just name it a sample, but you know, there are yeah, you will know there's no particular reason that the name is game entry. Okay, so I tried in the terminal the G++ compiler, but it's not working, and that's because your Windows OS cannot locate the compiler itself. So what you need to do is to put the path of the compiler to your environmental variables. So you go to this PC properties and environmental variables, and as you can see that it's not there in any of these options, the path. So yeah, you need to go to the installation path. If you are installing the program in a default, you can locate it in C, Windows C, MinGW folder, and bin or binary folder. And in that folder, you can find the G++ and other compilers and other executable files. So you need to copy and paste the directory in the environmental variables and okay, and then go back to the Visual Studio Code, try if it's there, and yeah, it's not there, so it's not yet recognized. So what I did is I try to open a new terminal and try it again, since this typo error, but yeah, it's not there. So what you actually need to do is to restart the Visual Studio Code, you close it and reopen it, and then reopen a new terminal and then try G++. As you can see, it would bear different result. It would say fatal error with no input files, and that's good news because your editor can allocate your program. So the syntax for compiling a CPP program is you have G++, the file CPP, -O is for output, and then the output file name, which is GameEntry.exe. .exe is an executable file, and it is the default executable file in Windows OS. And then you need to run once it's compiled successfully. So running it would, well, in my case, well, just ignore that one. But in my case, yeah, it's successful. And it says, hello world from Visual C++. And that's it. Thank you for listening and have a good day. See you in my next video.